Hi, this is Clay McKinney, developer on-ramp, Introduction to HTML, and right now we are going to talk about unordered lists. Unordered lists are often displayed by browsers by default as bulleted lists, but of course CSS can radically alter the way that a unordered list is displayed. Alright, so I have made this file. I went and copied the 7 Wonders of the Ancient World from Wikipedia, and let's see, I put that in our basic template, changed the title to 7 Wonders of the Ancient World, and I opened it over here in the browser, and you can see they're all just running together because we haven't used any HTML whitespace tricks at all. Alright, so to make this an ordered list, we're going to start with a OL tag. That makes it an ordered list. And then we're going to close that OL tag. Let's see. This fella needs to be tabbed in a little further. Now all of these guys, each one of these is a list item. So we're going to put LI at the beginning of each one. But you know what? There's a trick in Notepad that I think is so cool. I want to show it to you, but it's weird. It's super weird. Okay, in Notepad++, you got to get your mouse in the right spot. Hold down your Alt key right next to your spacebar. Hold down that Alt key, click and hold, and drag down. See, what we've done is we've selected that spot on all 7 of those lines, and we can type on all 7 of those lines at the same time. It's so fun. And you can do this in several code editors, not all of them, but this is one where you can do it, so I thought I'd show it to you. All right, and we can type, open an angle bracket, LI, close the angle bracket, and we're typing in 7 places at once. That's fun. All right, we need to close these guys too, and that's not as easy because this isn't a straight line over here. Right? So that's a bummer. What I'll do is I'll just type the first one, and then I will select it and copy it, and we'll just paste all the close LIs as we go down through here. Alright, I'm going to save that and refresh. This is an ordered list, so it's numbered. If we change it to an unordered list, save it. Oops, that needs to be a close. Alright, we'll save it and refresh. Now it's a bulleted list. Isn't that cool? Alright, so an ordered list. An ordered list is numbered, and an unordered list, I'm going to undo twice, save, unordered list, bullets. It's awesome. It's great. All right, that's it. Thank you.